Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Facebook video lag problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so open up Facebook as you normally would. And now from here we need to click on the three horizontal bars on the top right hand corner of the page. It might be at the bottom right. From here we need to get into settings. So click on the gear icon. Now inside settings and privacy. From here, make your way down to under preferences, and they've got a media option. Go ahead and click on media. And now under video quality, they've got an option here, optimize. So what this is going to do, this is going to adjust your videos to network conditions. So make sure that is turned on. Once that is turned on, exit out of Facebook, reopen it up. And now see if that has fixed your video lag problems. If it hasn't, it might be due to your network connection. So if you're on Wi-Fi using your mobile data, that might be experiencing issues. So yeah, check if that's the issue. A few more things we can do to fix the problem. So we can click and hold down the Facebook app and get into app info, and then scroll down under usage, click on the storage. Where it says clear cache, go ahead and clear cache and then reopen Facebook, see if that has fixed the issue. If it hasn't, we can always go ahead and make sure Facebook is up to date with the latest version. To do so, go to your Player App Store, search for Facebook, and make sure if it says update, go ahead and update. And if that doesn't work, simply reinstall Facebook, restart your phone, and yeah, see if that helps. Let me know in the comments below what method worked to fix your Facebook video lag problem.